Taxes. The role of taxes in the operation of current economic systems is very complex. Of course, one of the elements is, theoretically, to provide revenues to the common budget in order to carry out public tasks. However, this is one of many aspects of the real operation of tax systems of all types. The real construction of tax systems is of great importance in terms of social effects and ultimately determines the system in which we live. We can distinguish different types of taxes, as to their real shape, and so. Revenue income taxes, these are taxes that charge the received income, they do not include tax-deductible costs. Net income taxes, these are taxes that include tax-deductible costs and are charged on income. Corporate taxes, these are taxes that include tax-deductible costs and are charged on income. Poll taxes, these are taxes calculated literally per person, not related to income or revenue, but to the fact that someone exists or does something. According to Polish and basically European, and most normal countries, these laws are illegal and rightly so, as they have the feature of negating economic freedom, limiting the freedom of economic activity, and are simply slavish and totalitarian. In addition, there may be property taxes, these are taxes that are charged based on the value of your property. Area taxes are taxes that are related to the use or occupation of space. Possession taxes, these are taxes charged on the very fact of possession, they are not calculated on the value but on the piece of property. Taxes on cash flows, and many more. And there are also environmental taxes, concerning environmental protection, and exploitation taxes, example, exploitation of deposits. You can also come up with and prepare a whole bunch of other taxes. Of course, every tax has some problems, but they can also be illegal in a given legal system, under certain specific conditions. Well, as a rule, the real flow of money looks like this: all taxes related to the functioning are paid by companies. Because if you employ either 100 or 1,000 employees, the entire company has to incur the costs of its operation, including payroll costs, including taxes. From the point of view of the law, of course, it is a tax paid by an individual, but from the point of view of real flows and economic analyses, it is paid by the company, not someone specific. In the end, the real shape of taxes, and the way they are calculated, strongly determines the shape of the economy, reduces income or even stimulates it, influences technological decisions of companies, example, imposing higher taxes on products, depending on the method of production or cost disposal.
Disturbances in the functioning of tax systems. Thinking about how taxes actually work, one of the biggest changes is worth noting. Since the time that such a system of taxation of wages and salaries from work was adopted, there have been a lot of changes in employment systems, labor codes, labor standards, example, salaries, production, and labor technologies, which has a direct impact on the evaluation of the value of work, translating into the amount of the pension, but also on the method of directing the financial flow. The way finances flow has changed. You can look at the production processes and notice how it worked in the past and how it works today. What can we notice? Certainly, there is much less demand for workers in factories now, but not only in factories, because, to a large extent, they have been replaced by machines, robots, or software. What causes it? The fact that each of these employees who once earned this way is today essentially redundant in the same place, and this means that there are no taxes, both general and insurance, paid on his salary. These feed the budget, including benefits, and remember that it is companies, in terms of financial flows, that pay taxes. This means that when a machine or program, automation, replaces a worker, at the same time, the tax and insurance system loses revenues related to the taxation of human work, because the same work is performed by a robot, and no taxes or insurance are paid on its work. You pay for its purchase, operation, and all that, but to another company. The purchase and operation of such robots are at the expense of the company, which also reduces the tax, e.g. CIT, which is paid by large companies. Such a company still produces cars, and revenues that used to be distributed to a large number of employees, and therefore to the tax and insurance system, are now distributed to a much lesser extent. And one more remark, the employee replaced by the robot still has the same skills and qualifications, but from the point of view of the market settlement of the value of work, it does not give much, which translates into later retirement and other benefits. And this is a problem of free market economies and effective legal regulations, or rather, those who claim that everything regulates itself. For example, one of the well-known European automotive companies in 2012 had revenues of $76.84 billion i.e., almost PLN 240 billion, and employed only 105,876 people worldwide. The entire budget of our state is slightly over PLN 387 billion for 2019, and 38 million citizens. The consequence of this is further problems. An employee who had previously been paid in such a factory created purchasing power because he could buy something, now he does not create it, and this is also one of the reasons for the so-called world crises, mentioned a long time ago. If, on a global scale, many people lose their jobs and therefore their income, then at the same time, many people lose their purchasing power, and this has further consequences. Just such an economy, if the state does not react or reacts inappropriately. This, in turn, means that those people who again earned money in such a way that their clients were such factory workers also lose their earning opportunities, and also the possibility of paying, for example, for retirement, while budget systems are a bit more resistant to such events, or otherwise, the value of their work decreases, as defined by its calculation according to market indicators. This means that a whole lot of creative people with skills sometimes lose the opportunity to develop because if they do not have money, they cannot, for example, purchase equipment, knowledge, and other things, the acquisition of which depends on having financial resources, and this already has incredibly negative consequences not only for that person individually but even for entire states and communities. Because the goods that are on the market are the result of production, more and more automated, and industrialized, it causes the flow of finance, revenue, to be redirected to the modern factories and institutions, but the thing that was supposed to happen 100, 30, or even 20 years earlier, i.e., the return through the tax system to the budget, paying for public services, and feeding consumption through payment of salaries, is not happening. A whole bunch of tax systems, insurance, and social systems work on the principles of those ancient times that no longer apply today. So are politicians responsible for this state of affairs? Of course. Yes, politicians are responsible for this state of affairs. Look at the technological change, example, drones, which did not exist before, made it necessary to modify or even create new legal regulations because new technologies gave rise to some new opportunities, but also problematic issues that simply did not need to be solved so far. Such a drone is able to perform activities that have so far been performed by someone else or no one has been able to perform, example, photos from a height. Until now, a helicopter pilot was most often employed, today a drone is enough. Also, the current sales systems caused changes, for example, in the premises of companies, often less demand or in other regions.